If you have a Casper mattress, I cannot stress enough how much you need to get yourself the Casper mattress cover. Of course, you want to protect that investment. This one here is king size because that is the size of our bed. They do have all of the sizes, of course. It's got some really great stretch, so it's going to be nice and easy to put on. However, it's got that really great tuck to go all the way around your mattress. It is waterproof, which is a plus for sure. I'm going to put it in the washing machine, wash it, and then put it on the bed, and we're going to be right back to show you. I've just put the mattress cover on, and it was so easy because, as I told you before, it is so stretchy. It is hugging all the corners, all the sides, makes it nice and easy. And then this is the part here that is waterproof, and look at that. You don't have that crazy crinkling noise that you used to get with those waterproof mattress covers. It is very seamless, and I absolutely love that. And one thing you do have to note, you don't have to have a Casper mattress to get one of these. It fits on all regular size mattresses. So honestly, you got to get one of these.